feel the water. Did you hear that? Did you hear that gurgling? Where did that come from? Huh. Uh-oh. Back house. Airbnb. Always a good time when you come to Los Angeles. So we're gonna use the chains because it's less than 50 feet to the front house, and front house guy's not having issues. So 100 feet of chains will be enough. Oh yeah. What I'm doing right here, you want to make this slightly under 4 inches. So I just got to move this back a little bit. And you just take this, loosen those. That actually, because you take it's half a 4 inch, which is about 2 inch, so that's how that works. All right, we got it. Just some roots. It's a cool little Airbnb. We're gonna camera the line too. A lot of water in here. I recommend we pull the toilet and change the wax seal. All right, let's camera it. Okay. Let's get a better. It's always a glare. Always a freaking glare. There we go. Still a glare, but whatever. There's your first root intrusion. Second root intrusion. That's bad. Okay. Those roots are gone. Wow. Okay, here's the second root intrusion. Pull it back just a little bit, about there. Or maybe I need to push it forward. That's pretty much it, man. Yeah, that's beyond clear. Look at that. Wow. All right, my job is done here, folks.